Lily. Time to wake up, sweetie. We have to go to kindergarten. Good morning, Lily. Today at kindergarten, you'll be modeling with Play-Doh. You love making bunnies, remember?
I don't want to get up. I want to sleep more.
Well, if you don't get up, Bunny will have to go to kindergarten alone. And there are new toys there.
Bunny doesn't want to go without me.
Then let's get up. Daddy's already drinking coffee.
Good morning, Daddy.
Good morning, my princess. Sit down and eat. Today it's oatmeal with berries. Your favorite.
I don't want oatmeal. I want chocolate.
Oatmeal first, then yogurt. We're running out of time and I'll be late for work.
Anna, relax. We still have 20 minutes.
My shift at the cafe starts at 8:30, and kindergarten drop-off is at 8. Lily, eat faster, please.
I dreamed that Bunny was flying on a cloud.
Oh no! The car keys! Where are they? I put them on the table last night. Anna, have you seen them?
No! I told you to hang them on the hook. Maybe Bunny hid them?
Here they are, standing in the fridge with the milk.
Hurry up, I'm gonna be late. Today we have a new delivery at the cafe and the chef will be mad.
Will we play hide and seek at kindergarten today?
Of course. And draw.
And go for a walk.
Lily, remember what I told you? There are lots of friends waiting for you. Lisa and Jack miss you.
But I want to stay with you.
We'll pick you up in the evening. And then we'll go to the park and have ice cream.
I promise. Tell us, what did you make yesterday?
A bunny?
Yes, a big one. The teacher said it was the fluffiest bunny ever.
Good morning, Lily. Come in, we've been waiting for you. Today we're making paper applique. We love you so, so much. See you in the evening.
Be a good girl. Bunny is with you.
Every time, it feels like the first day.
She'll be fine, like always.